Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prapanna, a practicing hair restoration surgeon at Vcraftcosmetics and Hair Implantation in Koramangala, Bangalore. I have been practicing hair restoration surgery, which includes hair regeneration and hair transplantation, since over 5 years. We have treated many patients from Bangalore and all over India, starting from Trivandrum up to even Dimapur. We have also treated patients from abroad thanks to the references from our elite clients. Our services include hair regeneration treatment for hair loss and hair fall for both men and women of all ages, and also hair transplantation for male pattern baldness. As everyone's condition is different, we need to evaluate every patient and before formulating a treatment plan. Please walk into our clinic today to find out the best treatment for your hair condition. Remember that a good hairstyle will always complement your lifestyle.